back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another eyeshadow tutorial. I just got out of work. Yes, my shirt is dirty. I had a long day, but I wanted to go ahead and record for you guys. My hair has like faded, don't mind that. I gotta go get it touched up. Want to see the look I come up with, then please keep on watching. But before we get any further into the video, please don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, even if it's just to say hi. And don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. So let's just get started with this tutorial. We are going to be using the Colourpop Limoncello palette. I think that's the way you say it. And this came out a while ago. I don't know if this is limited edition or not, but this is the way the shades look. Super pretty neutral palette for sure. So to prime my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer and light sand. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids real quick. So I'm gonna go with this little profusion blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Tuscan Fun, which is this brown shade up here. I'm gonna go ahead and add this into my crease. I'm going to go in with a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of, I think it's called Vespa. This one that's right here. I'm going to put that on the bottom of the brown shade. Okay, so the next, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease really quick, and I'm going to be using the same e.l.f. Camo concealer to cut my crease. I'm going to go back in with the same shade after the crease is cut, which is called Vespa. I'm going to go back in with the same blending brush, and we're going to add it to the outer part of our crease right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna, I don't know if I want to add that same orange color to like the, I guess so. So I'm gonna go back in with the same shade, which is called Tuscan Fun, which is the first shade that we used. I'm gonna go ahead and add it right in front of the brown shade that we got right here. I'm feeling yellow, so I'm gonna go in with this color called Amilify. I don't think that's what you say it. This yellow one that's right here. I don't know if it's gonna focus. This one. I'm gonna go in with this Bliss eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the rest of the cut crease that's there that we haven't set yet. So I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. I think glitter will just tie this in. I'm gonna be using the NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeliner in the color Diamond Dust, which is like this silver. We're just gonna put this on top of the cut crease. I'm gonna take this Lavish eye shading brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Touring, which is like this glittery one that's right here. I'm gonna add just a tad bit of it in the brow bone area. So I'm gonna go and do the other eye. I'm gonna put on lashes and mascara, and then we'll come back to do the lips. Okay guys, so I am back. We are done. This is the way the eye look turned out. So the eyelashes I used are these Colourpop falsies, and these are in the style Mommy. So lashes I have on, and then the lip, I forgot to film it, but I did make a TikTok on it. But what I used was the Melanie, this is the Salt and Pepper collection that they came out with. So I used the Understatement lip liner in 240 Shoop and the lipstick in 27 Shoop, and that's what I have on my lips right now. I think it ties in the look pretty well. Stay safe guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.